Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Ontario Rat #1 here with me for a quick review. This is not a small knife, guys. Look at this. Overall length is what? 8.5 inches, 5-inch long handle, 3.5-ish inch long blade, but it's a cheap one. It's gonna be around like $50 in this configuration with the blacked out blade and carbon fiber, laminated carbon fiber scales, nicely contoured overall. It's a nice feel, nice grip into the hand. The weight of this guy is going to be 5.3 ounces, so not a lightweight whatsoever, but nice full flat grind, DLC coated blade, really nice belly going on. Overall, it's a very nice and decent budget knife, and with a pretty decent action with your thumb flick going on right there. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.